Hello guys, this is a short video on how to remove air filter on Opel Corsa F or Vauxhall Corsa F, year 2021, 1.2, 55 kilowatts, 75 horsepower. So you have this bolt, 10 millimeter here, see? You have to undo this. Then you have this plug. You just press the yellow clips and pull it here. Try not to pull it too much to the left or to the right, so you don't break it with this plastic vacuum. So then you just pull it out to the right. You will pull out the whole air filter housing out. You have 3 bolts here, here, and here, and then you can remove it and replace the air filter, and that's that. And do it all the reverse to put it back in, and that's it. Thanks.